Hi there, Jordan here with Chevrolet of Everett. Today I'm going to help you out by showing you when your battery on your transmitter for your remote is low, how to get into your vehicle, get it started so you can get that battery replaced. Today I'm going to show you here, this is the 2022 Blazer LT. First step to get into your car if your transmitter battery is low. On your remote here, you'll see a silver button. You'll push that in and it'll release your valet key. So, on all Chevy vehicles, you'll see a notch underneath your door handle here. You'll take your key, you'll put it upright, right into there, pull your handle out, and it'll pop your door handle edge right there off, exposing a normal looking key lock. You'll enter your key in there, open it up, it'll honk. That's just a security feature there. Oh. And you'll put your key back together in your transmitter. As you get in your car, here on the Blazer, your transmitter responder is going to be in your cup holder towards the front. So you'll put the Chevy logo against the front of your cup holder, foot on the brake. It may state on the screen here that it doesn't recognize the transmitter. It'll take it a minute, and then you'll power back on. You'll be able to make it here to Chevrolet of Everett to get your battery replaced. And all right, that is how you enter into your vehicle if the transmitter battery is low on your remote, specifically here on the 2022 Blazer. If you have any other questions on any of the other models, we'd be happy to help you out. You can give us a call here at Chevrolet of Everett at 425-265-8000. We look forward to helping you in any way that we can.